those plates immediately! Don't worry. I'm here to help you. It's going to be all right.
I hate this. Why do I have to wash these stupid dishes in the rain every night? It's so cold and I'm so tired. It takes practice, but I've finally mastered the art of doing the dishes. It feels great to help out in the big kitchen.
You've done excellent work this month, Mother Cat. Here is your well-deserved bonus.
Thank you so much, sir. This means a lot. I must get this coal delivered. The morning depends on it, and I will not fail. We will succeed.
Forgive me, Kitten.